Have you ever wanted to merge two photos into one? In this video, I will show you how to merge photos online using Adobe Express. Hey everyone, I am Sawad, photographer and content creator. As someone who works with visuals every single day, I know the struggle of needing to quickly combine images, whether it's for a social post, a before and after, or a creative collage. Normally, you would think that requires complicated tools, but Adobe Express makes it super simple. Let's dive in. Step 1. Go to adobe.com/express and log in or sign up. Create a new project and open the editor. On your canvas, click Add Photos to upload both images you want to combine. From here, you have total flexibility. Place them side by side for a clean comparison. Layer one photo over the other for a creative blend. Use opacity to create smooth transition between the two. Pro tip: if you are merging a product image onto a lifestyle background, use the Remove Background tool first, then position it over your base image for a seamless finish. Once your layout looks right, you can resize, crop, or rotate the images and even add design elements like text, shapes, or overlays for a professional touch. Example: a before and after transformation, fitness, skincare, or home decor. Upload both photos, align them, add symbol labels, and you have got a shareable visual in minutes. Another idea: create a mood board by layering two images with color overlay to match your brand aesthetic. When you are happy, click download to save your merged image in high quality, ready to post anywhere. So if you have been searching for merge photos online or how to merge two photos, Adobe Express gives you an easy, powerful way to do it right from your browser. Try Adobe Express today. Link in the description. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tips.